And the recipe today is chocolate panettone. In a bowl, place plain flour, flour improver, cooking salt, spread, egg yolks, caster sugar, panettone flavor extract, vanilla essence, malt extract, and a bit of water. Set aside the remaining one to use in the end while you knead the dough. Mix the ingredients together and set aside. In another bowl, make the sponge dough. Place plain flour, dry yeast, or water for the sponge dough, and mix together. Dump it out onto the counter. Knead to activate the gluten. Return to the floured bowl. Cover up with cling film and leave to rest for 20 minutes. Combine the sponge dough to the first dough and incorporate. Dump it out onto the counter. Knead. And add a bit of corn oil. Add the water you previously set aside, little by little, while you knead the dough. Knead until it comes together. And add the dark chocolate chunks. Transfer to a panettone mold. Cover up and leave to proof for about 4 hours and 30 minutes. Slash the dough diagonally, cross shape. Put a small piece of unsalted butter on the top and bake for about 25 minutes in the preheated oven to 150 degrees Celsius. As I have promised on this video title, here is the bonus recipe that you can serve along chocolate panettone, and the recipe is vanilla ice cream Haagen-Dazs style. Draw away 4 egg yolks membrane. Add 125 grams of caster sugar and whisk together until pale. Place 60 grams of whole milk powder in a saucepan, 300 milliliters of whole milk, and stir. Pour 300 milliliters of double cream, leave to simmer and turn off. Pour this mixture onto the egg yolks and stir continuously. Return to the saucepan and stir continuously for about 10 minutes. Leave until cold. Add 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence and stir. Turn for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you like this video,